Hey everybody, Lee Roth with the Dean King Training Institute. So all of us here at Dean King are really excited to make an announcement that we've been all working on very diligently over the course of the last several months to get ramped up for this. We have put together a new partnership with Carepoint Tools, getting the top of the line master craftsman tools out of Germany and Russia here to the United States for our students and for anybody out there that's interested in the tools for that matter. We have actually put together a brand new 24-piece Master Craftsman tool set. And this is a set of tools that any of us in the industry and myself and James and the guys that are our instructors here would take this set of tools and go work a hailstorm, go work at a dealership. This is the stuff that I'm going to take with me on a daily basis. Some of the new whale tails that they are come out with from Carepoint, this is one of the medium length, medium width whale tail. Carepoint has something really cool. There is a lot of access to ratchet handle tools in the Carepoint line. We actually have 2 ratchet handle tools in this 24-piece set, one of which is a ratchet handle whale tail. This is a 20-position ratcheting handle whale tail that is absolutely phenomenal for leverage and being able to get into those tight spaces and make those pushes that you normally have a hard time making. This is the other ratcheting tool that we have. This is a door hook. You can also use it as a regular pry tool or a regular push rod, but it has a ratcheting handle, so when we are using it down into a door or into a quarter panel or anywhere in other body panels, we've got the access to adjust that handle to make it more comfortable for us. A couple of the picks that we have in the set, we have several door hooks, larger door hooks, both the left and right hand bend of the brace tool that goes up into the top edge of the door, several different brace hooks that we'll have access to get into different panels. Also working around hoods and deck lids and behind braces. We have 3 different sizes of a right and left in the 24-piece set. These are high quality German engineering, German steel that are just absolutely top of the line. One of the other things that's in this set, in our 24-piece kit that we're real excited about is a interchangeable tool tip double bend rod. And this is a rod very similar. I've had something similar to this in my collection and on my tool cart for years. And I absolutely love this new rod, and it accepts all the different tools that are tips that are on the market. They're completely interchangeable. You can use anything from a ball tip like this to some of the very sharp, like the money shot tip that's out there. So any of the different tips will fit this rod, and we're real excited about this. So, you know, we've had our different tools for years. We do still have our 58-piece set that is available through through Dean King for our students. However, this is a brand new Master Craftsman set that is also available to all of our students, also to the individuals out there in the industry that might be interested in this. We also have coming in, and we will have available a complete line of Carepoint tools and Carepoint lights as well. So check us out on the website, look us up on Facebook, give us a call here at the Dean King, and can't wait to get all these out there into y'all's hands. Y'all take care. We'll talk to you soon. Have a great afternoon.